Guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So first of all, I will show you. Uh, first of all, I will give you a brief intro about it. We will do a very simple end-to-end project of AWS Sagemaker. So first of all, we will import Sagemaker and then Boto 3. From Sagemaker, we import get execution role, and by applying Boto 3 dot session dot region name, we will get the region name. Sagemaker dot session, we started session from here, and this is our s3 bucket, default bucket, and then prefix, and then get execution role. Let me know you what is execution role. When we will create a notebook instance here, then we have to specify that what is our im role. This is a role, and after that boto3 dot session dot client server name sagemaker region name equal to region, that is our region, and we get sm. From here, what we will do, we will download the file from, we will get download the file from S3 bucket. If you don't have that file, you can download it from using this code, and then you save it to CSV format, and then you can upload your file by using this code. I have already that file, then I will download that file. After that, read that file, and then because there are around 700 records in it, so that's why I will take only 3000 records, and then let me show you the data, how it's look like. This is data, the 3000 records are here. I take only 3000 because it will take too much time for training, so that's why I use very small data for that. And after that, I will take 80% of data for training purpose, and remaining data for test purpose. And here I drop the target column from the test data. The name of train file is train data.csv, and I save that file here, and after that upload that file in s3 bucket, and then print the path of s3 bucket. Same thing is here. Now we need to define the input data configuration. What is our data source? Target attribute name. Our target attribute name is target, and our data source is s3 data source, s3 data type, s3 prefix, s3 URI. This is our address of data, and this is the output configuration where we will upload our data. S3, then bucket, then prefix. This is our prefix. You can choose it according to your requirement. After that, from time we will import gm time, and then strf time, string format time, and then sleep. From this we can get the time in date, hours, minute, and second format, and then add that timestamp with the automl churn, and after that we will print it here. Let me show you. Like, today is 8th, and this is hour, time, and second. This is gm time, not ist. Okay, and then we have to create a automl job. So first we need to define our job name, automl job. This is the name of automl job name. After that, input data configuration, then output data configuration, and criteria, and max candidates 5. We can use 5, 10, 20, but it will take more time if we will increase the max candidate. So that's why I will choose 5. This is our automl name. Store that automl name for use for subsequent notebook. After that, the main thing is start from here. Print the job start, you know everything what is it, and describe response. Sm.describe automl job and automl job name. Job name is this automl churn and that timestamp. After that, print. We will print these things. Describe response automl plus and then hyphen sorry minus describe response automl job secondary status and then job run status equal to describe response automl job status. We will it will continue until it will not get like failed, complete or stop. When we will start it, it will print the data of describe response. What is the automl job status and automl job secondary status. It will print again and again with the interval of 30 seconds. I will not run it because it will take time. I already ran it. Uh, so I will not run it again because it will take too much time. So after that, uh, you will get these types of output. At the end, we will check everything like AutoML job artifacts, candidate definition notebook location, and then data exploration notebook location. We will get the location here. This is notebook location, and this is for data exploration notebook. After that, notebook, candidate notebook, and notebook. What we will do? We will extract the bucket and key name. Bucket like name like this is our bucket name and key. This is the name of notebook. So we will get bucket name and key from here by applying S3 by applying split S3 path function. We will get S3 bucket, candidate notebook key, and then data explore notebook key. And after that, we will get S3 bucket, then candidate notebook and data explore key. So this is our S3 notebook, and then candidate notebook key, and then data explore notebook key. After that, we will download both notebooks. Let me show you. These are two notebooks. This is our data of churn.txt, and these are both files of test and train data. And after that, best candidate because it runs many models. So there are lots of model behind it. So which one perform the best? Will perform the best. We will get from here, and then candidate name and print candidate. This is a print statement of print candidate, and this is the print candidate. And after that, candidate name, and after that, final AutoML job objective matrix name. Matrix name our matrix name is validation F1 binary, and value of that matrix is 0.665. I trained uh, data by using the 5 max candidates. We can increase it. We will get better result if we will increase, but it will take more time. List of candidates for AutoML jobs. We need to provide our job name, and then we will get the all the candidates. And let me show you about everyone. the first candidate. The score of first candidate is 0.3. Next candidate 0.59. Next candidate 0.32, 0.59, and last 0.6. This last candidate performed very well. The score is 0.6. The score will can increase if you will increase the max candidate, uh, but it will take more time for training. For now, timestamp suffix you know very well about it, and after model name, best candidate name, then time suffix, then model ARN, sm dot create model. It will create the model. We use container for that, and then we will give the model name and execution role. I already told you what is execution. I hope you know very well about it. And we will get model ARN. ARN means Amazon resource name. EPC, endpoint configuration name. Best candidate name, time suffix plus EPC. SM dot create endpoint configuration. It will create the endpoint configuration. Endpoint configuration name, EPC underscore name. Let me show you. This is our EPC name. And after that, product variant. We will we will want to deploy it on ml dot m5 dot 2x large, and then create endpoint configuration and instance type. We need to define instance type. Let me show you with how many instances are there. These are the instances and price per hour. Like if you want to high memory, then price will also increase, and this is a price per hour. So we need to define here, and initial instance count we can use 1 to 10, 20, 30, whatever you want. So if you will increase, then bill also will increase. So then our model name and variant name main. After that endpoint configuration, then create endpoint name equal to EP name, endpoint configuration, EPC name. After that, sm dot get waiter endpoint in service dot wait endpoint name ep underscore name. If we will run it, it will take time. So service will take time to start. So it will take time 1 minute, 2 minutes approximately. After that, let me show you. From IO import string IO. If SageMaker dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore less than 2, then it will go in it. Otherwise, it will go in it else uh, in else function. I know very well. I ran it. It will not go in this if function. It will go here. And from endpoint we want predictions. So predictor equal to predictor. We need to define our endpoint name, and then session, then serializer, and then deserializer. CSV serializer and CSV deserializer. After that, we have trained data. We want to drop that target name because we want to predict the target. So that's why we drop the target. After that, prediction. Predictor dot predict. We will give the test data inference. Dot to CSV separate by comma, and header false, index false. And after that, we will get the prediction by applying this. And in order to calculate the accuracy, we will use a target, and then we will sum it, sum, and then divide with the length of data, and we will get the accuracy. And accuracy is here is 80%. It's 0.80. It's 80%. And after that, we will calculate every score like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1. I hope you know very well about all these things. What is accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score? And one important thing I want to tell you that after all those stuff, it is very important to delete the endpoint, because if we will not delete the endpoint, it will generate bill. So this is the most important thing. We need to delete it. And let me show you our S3 bucket. S3 bucket is a data set, tabular, synthetic. This is our data set. We downloaded the data by using this. And after that, we read the data, and then save train underscore dot csv, and then test underscore data dot csv here. After that, and we uploaded the data, session dot upload data test file, and then prefix slash test. So what is our test file? Prefix, we need to find prefix. Where is prefix? Sagemaker slash demo autopilot churn. So SageMaker, SageMaker, demo autopilot, SageMaker, demo autopilot, and then test and train. Two folders are here, test and train. This is our test data, and this is our test or train, and this is our output folder. And let me show you about output folder, because we already defined that what is our output configuration here. S3, then bucket, then prefix, then slash out. And we downloaded that our candidate notebook and data explored notebook key. Let me show you. Data exploration notebook. It is created by the system. It explain very well about everything, that our data summary, number of rows, columns, duplicate rows, target, missing values, invalid values, about everything. What target analysis, data sample, feature summary, duplicates, everything. Missing values, target, gender. These are our features, and number of unique entries, descriptive stats. And this is our SageMaker Autopilot candidate definition notebook. It use it uses multiple types of model here. So if you want to run or go through with it, I will share everything in the description, so you can find out these things, and you can run it. DPP4 XGBoost. Here is DPP3 XGBoost. DPP2 linear learner. DPP1 XGBoost. So I already defined that we need only 5 max candidate. So it's up to you how much number you want to define here, and you will get the result. The accuracy of my result is around 80%. You can increase your accuracy. So that's all for today, and you can find the link of GitHub repository in the description, and that's all for today.